Hello, everyone. My name is ASabbaghi. I'm an associate professor of statistics at Purdue University, as well as an associate director of the Purdue University Statistical Consulting Service. I'm very happy to have been given the opportunity to introduce the Statistical Consulting Service to you today. Our service consists of faculty consultants, a manager, and administrator, as well as graduate student consultants. The director of the Statistical Consulting Service is Professor Bruce Craig, professor of statistics at Purdue, as well as director of the consulting service for 18 years. As I mentioned, I'm an associate director, as well as an associate professor of statistics for the consulting service in this semester. The manager of the statistical consulting service is CC Footner, and our administrator is Brianna Maxwell. Every year, we have between 8 to 10 graduate student consultants who assist the clients of the statistical consulting service. Our graduate student consultants consist of a mixture of master's and PhD students at Purdue University. Our consultants have great experience and typically work for the statistical consulting service for 2 straight semesters, if not more. Our service is open during the fall and spring semesters, as well as for 8 weeks during the summer. The statistical consulting service is provided free for anyone who's associated with Purdue. That consists of all academic campuses, as well as the academic and non-academic parts of the university. Our service has been in place for 50 years now, and we typically handle between 150 to 200 projects every year, with approximately 30% of the projects being externally funded. There are 2 major components of the statistical consulting service. One is the in-person software desk, or also the virtual software consulting service. In this component of the statistical consulting service, our consultants provide assistance to anyone who's experiencing issues with their statistical software, whether it be SAS, SPSS, R, or other types of statistical platforms. Our consultants can help our clients debug their code and understand what exactly would be the best way to code up a specific, well-defined task. Furthermore, they could help the client understand exactly what outputs are obtained from the code, as well as what inputs are necessary to run a particular function for a well-defined analysis task. The second component of the statistical consulting service consists of appointment-based meetings in which we talk with our client about the design of their experiments, surveys, or observational studies, as well as about the analyses of the resulting collected data. Typically, when it comes to these appointment-based meetings, we spend quite some time understanding the context and the background of the client's project so that we could provide tailored and well-defined statistical approaches to solve any issues in the design of their study or in the analysis of the data that they have collected. We have formally provided statistical expertise to produce a technical assistance program in the past as well. There are 3 major goals that the statistical consulting service endeavors to achieve by means of our work with our clients. The first goal is to advance research at Purdue University. We do that by providing sound statistical advice and guidance on the design and analysis of experiments, surveys, and observational studies. And we also use our consulting service to foster collaborations for faculty at Purdue University. The second goal of the service is to advance learning at Purdue. Specifically, our service provides a valuable experience for our student consultants, as well as our student clients, to learn more about well-defined, meaningful, and valid statistical designs and analyses for their projects. Our consultants primarily work one-on-one with their clients until the project is completed. The statistical consulting philosophy is that the client remains involved in the analysis. The consultant, for example, will assist the client to perform the analysis using statistical software, and this enhances our ability to handle the large number of projects so that the client will better understand the statistics involved in their project, and the consultant, by means of well-directed and very specific type of assistance to their client, can address the needs of as many clients as possible. Thank you again for hearing about the Citrus Consulting Service. Please feel free to let me know if you have any questions or comments, or if you'd like to submit an application to the Citrus Consulting Service. We look forward to assisting you in the future. Thank you.